Hey guys, so recently a new mining project has gone viral and the project is called Nivochain. When I opened Nivochain's Twitter, I noticed it didn't have much of an audience. They just joined Twitter and only had 206 followers. Recently, they shared a tweet about reaching 10,000 users joining them. They have only a few tweets because they just started right now. So they provide a website link there, and if you click on that link, you land on a page with a registration form. They claim it's a proof of skill, proof of value project where your talent earns you real rewards. Their tagline is claim your Nivochain tokens today and be part of a future where skill earns more than money. To be honest, it didn't look very authentic to me, but since it's going viral so quickly, who knows, maybe there's something worth checking out here. So I decided to try them. To join them, you need to sign up using this form by providing your name, email, country, phone number, and then choose your password. After that, click on create account, then log in using your email and password. Once you log in, you land on their dashboard. In their dashboard, you'll see their current total circulating supply, verified and unverified balance. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the claim option. If you click on claim, it redirects to a strange ad page. So I tried to claim 3 or 4 times and then I was able to claim 5 Nivo tokens. Every 24 hours, you can claim 5 tokens. If you complete your KYC verification, then you can transfer your tokens to the main wallet. In the wallet section, you can see your total tokens. You can verify your profile once KYC opens. It's currently locked and you need more tokens to unlock this option. Also in the referral section, you'll find your referral link which you can share with your friends. But to be honest, I still have doubts about this project, so I currently don't recommend you to join as they haven't disclosed their funding partners and they don't have a proper roadmap. You can do your own research before joining. So what are your thoughts? Share with us in the comment section. And if you want all the legitimate airdrops and crypto updates, then don't forget to join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it now. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.